Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you guys my unboxing and my first hands-on impressions of the REALME C11. So let's check it out. Now the unboxing process was pretty straightforward, where the box comes in yellow as usual with C11 in front with REALME down below. Then at the back, there are some of the specs above and the variant below as well. Opening the box, you'll be greeted with the welcome message by REALME, where in the box, you'll find the SIM ejector pin and the user information guide. Then you'll find the phone itself. Underneath, you'll find the USB-A to micro USB cable and the charging brick. Now starting from the design, looking at the back, it is made of plastic with a cool textured geometric finish at the back. Nice. Then at the sides has a matte finish to blend with the back of the phone. Then the two cameras at the back are arranged in a vertical position with a square camera bump with almost no camera bump, which I like, so there's no issues when typing the phone when it's on a surface. Then as for the color options here in Malaysia, the REALME C11 comes in two colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have is called mint green and is also available in pepper grey. Makes me hungry. Then looking at the phone's display, it comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, as this is an entry-level to a mid-range level phone with 20 by 9 aspect ratio. And then there's also a mini dewdrop notch at the front screen area, which is about 30.9% smaller than other typical dewdrop notches out right now. And playing videos on the phone was actually pretty decent during my first impressions, as seen over here, with quite a high brightness and saturation as well. Then looking at the phone's ports and buttons, looking down below, there is the micro USB port, which is expected due to the current nature of the phone. Then you'll find the headphones jack on the left and the mono-pharynx speaker on the right. Then looking at the right side, there is the power button and also the volume rocker over there. Now there's no fingerprint unlocking, but the face unlocking works very well, and it did unlock pretty fast. There you go. Shh. Then you'll find the SIM card and the micro SD card slot, which can support up to 256 gigs of storage. Then looking at the camera specs, there are two cameras in total. One is a 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture camera. Then there's also a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor. Then as for the front camera, there is a 5 megapixel f2.4 aperture. Then looking at the video recording options, the phone records 1080p up to 30 frames per second, both for the front camera and also for the rear camera. Now looking at the insides of the phone, it has the MediaTek Helio G35 chipset with the octa-core 2.3 GHz Cortex A53 GPU, where the phone comes in two variants, which is 2 gigs of RAM and also 3 gigs of RAM with 32 gigs of storage here in Malaysia. Then in terms of software, it does ship with Android 10 instead of 9, which is nice because some entry-level to a mid-range phone comes with Android 9 instead, and God knows when does Android 10 comes to the phone. And it also comes with REALME's own REALME UI, and I'm eager to test how the phone performs on a day-to-day basis, especially with the specs that comes with the phone, to see how the phone performs. Then looking at the phone's battery, the REALME C11 comes with a massive 5000 milliamps of battery, which is a huge plus feature, especially with a phone with such a form factor. Now as for the phone's price here in Malaysia, the REALME C11 is going for an amazing price of only 429 ringgit, and it can be purchased from the official store on Shopee on the 7th of July. And for those of you who are getting it on the first day of the sale, we'll be getting the REALME Buds 2 for free. Now instead of me typically just doing a review for all of the specs, I'm gonna ask you what exactly that you would like to know about the REALME C11 at the comment section below, and I'll do a full video review based on your questions, so ask away. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and my first hands-on impressions video. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV. If you haven't done so, don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.